Hello everyone! Today I will demonstrate to you how the LS for OO switches languages. So let's first light up the screen. Press asterisk and hashtag to enter the system settings mode. Authentication Administrator. Press hashtag to confirm to enter system mode. 1. Add user to delete user 3 door lock function for add administrator. Press 3 to enter the door lock settings. 1. Function settings to volume adjustment 3 language settings for more settings. Press 3 to enter the language settings. Press 1 to switch to Chinese. Press 2 to switch to English. The language switch was successful. The above are all the steps of how the LS for OO switches languages.